of that which be I am the first channeled being of the modern era that began this quest in the last century. I am rather the enlightened one. I am both famous and infamous. It always depends upon who you talk to. Of that which I am, indeed, I am unusual, but wonderful. Just as you are unusual and wonderful as well. I began in 1977 and appeared to my channel. That beginning came historically, and we changed just from the acts of what I am, created the word channeling. I created that word. Because you see, the entity you see is a woman. But clearly, I am not a woman. I am a man of my last incarnation. This entity is not in a trance, is not in a mediumship. She's gone. She left her body, went down the tunnel, and is beyond this world. And indeed has been doing that since I taught her how to leave her body. This then creates very dynamic questions. Is this a falsehood? Is it a fraud? Scientists came in America and tested her and me and the students. And for 2 years, in scientific rigor, of not only what I taught my students, but the power to manifest reality for them. These scientists were, shall we say, impressed that when they wired the body and then asked the entity, my channeled entity, to leave, and she left hooked up to all of their computers and all of their biofeedback and all of their data. They only thought she was going to go into a deep alpha state. But she left, and come I, faster than the computers could recalibrate the difference between her and I. And not any longer would she be considered in a deep alpha state, but the deepest delta state. Yes, I am an independent being. Those tests were rigorous and showed everything. And scientific papers and thoughts emerged to the scientific community alarming, but not to quantum physicists who understood this possibility. Now, so, I am called the Great American Channel because I am the original one. And moreover, I have been tested by science a lot. And the results are this, that the channel is not in a trance, nor pretending, nor is she a fraud. Whatever I am clearly an enigma. Now, with all of that behind, I continued my great work for those who wish to come and learn. The message, as it were, boldly but blasphemously simple. Behold God. Not behold God, not on a statue, not in a building. You see, behold God can be wherever you are, out in a plain field. For the greatest temple of God, wherever you wish to call God, is the human body. There is nothing greater, nor has there been any one place built better than you. The message didn't get so clearly through because it conflicted with everyone's imaginings of religion, and it brought up the old issues of doubt and punishment. We will work through it all. But upon closer examination, all ancient legendary teachers said the same thing. And those who were entities of profound truth and wisdom all said the same thing. That you're divine. Wherever we find you, you're divine. Indeed, inseparable from your Creator.